What's up, guys? My name's Trevor. Welcome back to the Arctic Vette YouTube channel. Today we are headed back to Miami. Well, okay, not technically back, but we've already been there. We are back home, as you can tell. And if you want to see more of our trip to Miami, Florida, you're gonna have to head over to the Arctic Vette family channel. I'll put a link in the description below, and I'll try to pop one up like right up here to the video. It was our honeymoon and it was absolutely incredible. But today, in this video, you know what we're all about, the cars. So we dive really deep into the cars and show you guys a bunch of stuff and a little bit of clips from here and there while we were there in Miami. I hope that you enjoy. Let's roll that intro and get into it. Here's the beach.
Ooh. Let's go.
Because I'm sure the kids would love to see this.
Oh, look at the scooter. Uber delivery.
Pizza delivery. What was that?
We moved here just for the cars.
Move here just for the cars. I mean, why not? That thing's a beauty. Booby trap. That's literally what that just said, right?
I think so.
Brother, I'm trying to look at a car. Don't booby trap me. We've made it to the south of Miami Beach, next to the pier. There's Mom. Now you ready for this? That is a cruise ship. Like, and look at all the people in there. How cool is that? Think we all should go on? So that's Mom. Should we go on? That's sweet. You know, maybe it might be only in Miami when you get a Lamborghini. Get the sand mode. Oh, wait for it, wait for it. With another Urus. Let's go. That's legit. And then you got a Cybertruck. Why doesn't the Cybertruck got some cool feature like that? That'd be sweet. That nice sound is not the Mustang, but the Lamborghini behind it. Ooh, look up, look up, look up. Ready for a spin? Oh my goodness.
Oh, you can get up. Get on the other.
But get your face. Peekaboo! We are about to go on a boat like that one in a little while. Take you guys along. This building here is the newest Aston Martin. It's out of the building, I don't even know. But if you want a suite there, a penthouse, $60 million, and you get one of the latest Aston Martins. And inside is an elevator to take your car to your house, your penthouse.
And they're looking forward to filling this up. So aquí tenemos el estadio del Inter Miami. Es así donde va a jugar Lionel Messi cuando lo abre. There it is there. They're building it pretty fast.
2 years it'll be done. We're on our way to the Keys. Florida Keys, let's go. Alright, so this is Key Largo, where we are at, heading towards Key West. We stopped at a McDonald's and a Dollar Tree. And we hit the road again. It's so beautiful. We're heading to 7 Mile Bridge, that's for sure.
Oh, 7 Mile Bridge. Entonces el puente de 7 millas. Back in the view. I'm gonna.
Welcome to Key West. We made it. Welcome to our newest whip. Oh! Oh my goodness. This is hilarious. Hilariously cute, and I don't even know. We got an extension cord if we need to charge it though. The brakes are no good. The gas, well, you push it, you go. Go.
Like a Kia Soul.
It's worse than a Kia Soul.
I'll do it. Oh, there's a market.
You can get this way. Well, the roosters.
Oh, that's not working.
No.
And I didn't squeeze.
It's gonna be parking somewhere.
Right there?
No. Nope. We go
I'm on a
straight, yeah. Go
There's
straight.
parking right there.
Potentially, yeah.
Maybe. Were they leaving?
Yeah. Alright, so if you guys enjoyed that, smash the like button. Don't forget to click the red subscribe button. And we will see you all in the next video. I got those two backwards. This is my subscribe. This is the click. You know the drill. If you feel like doing that, do that. Check out our website too. We'll catch y'all in the next one. Have a great night. God bless y'all.